day everyone, so for today's video lesson, we are going to discuss multiplying and dividing integers. Okay, so as you can see, meron tayo ditong given examples. At yung given examples natin, our operation is multiplication. Now, how do we multiply integers? Now, andito po yung ating pwedeng basehan. Okay po, when we multiply two like integers, example, positive times positive, the answer is positive. Negative times negative, the answer is positive pa rin. Again, baka magtanong kayo, sir, negative parehas yung minultiply. Bakit naging positive? When multiplying like signs, the answer is always positive. Ano po? Halimbawa sa magjowa, like nilang ang isa't isa, positive siya, positive rin siya. Of course, maging positive yung relationship nila. Now, negative and negative, like signs pa rin. Like nila ang isa't isa, so again, positive pa rin yung magiging sagot. Pero, kapag unlike signs, positive and negative, they can't go together. So, ang mangyayari, magiging negative sila. Ano? Negative. Okay, so yan ang tandaan. When multiplying like signs, the answer is positive. Multiplying positive times positive or negative times negative, the answer is always positive. Pero kapag unlike signs, when one is positive and the other one is negative, the answer is always negative. Ganon din sa division. So alam naman natin, multiplication is the reverse operation of division. Ano po? Magkabaliktaran lang silang dalawa. So when multiplying like signs, positive rin sa division, positive times positive divided by positive is equal to positive, and negative divided by negative is always positive pa rin. Now, when we divide positive divided by negative or negative divided by positive, the answer is negative. Okay po? So, laging tatandaan, when multiplying or dividing integers, like signs will always have a product or a quotient of positive. Ano, parehas silang positive or parehas silang negative. When you multiply or divide them, the answer is always positive. Pero kapag nagkaibang kanilang symbol or sign, the answer will be negative. Okay? Now, let's start. So, okay, now, let's proceed to our example. So, multiplication ng ating operations, but we will use the basis po pagsagot natin ito. So, dun sa paliwanag natin kanina, ano po, mas madali na ninyo yung matatandaan kung ano ang magiging sagot nila given itong ating basis. Ano po? Now, let's start. 6 times negative 4. 1 is positive and 1 is negative. So, sabi natin, when unlike signs are being multiplied, the answer is always negative. So, multiply them. 6 times negative 4. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Now, 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So, the sign is negative. Okay, now, 5 times negative 8. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So, unlike sign sila, the answer would be negative 40. 3 times 5, parehas silang positive. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Positive, kasi parehas positive. Next, 2 times negative 10. So, 2 times 10 is equal to 20. 1 is positive and 1 is negative. Unlike signs will give us the product negative 20. Next, 5 times 9 is equal to 45. Positive siya dahil positive parehas yung even. Okay, now, let's proceed to the next example. We have here negative 3, negative 6. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Now, what is the symbol? Again, 1 is negative, 1 is negative. So, like sign sila, parehas sila ng sign. Sabi natin, pag like sign, the answer is always positive. So, we will stay with the answer, positive 18. Next, 4 times negative 9. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. 1 is positive and 1 is negative. Unlike sign will give us the product, negative 36. 1 times 10 is equal to 10. Okay, so para silang positive, so positive yung sagot natin. Okay, 7 times negative 7. So 7 times 7 is equal to 49. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. Unlike sign, negative 49. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. Parehas silang positive, so like sign will give us the answer positive 100. Okay, now let's proceed to dividing integers. Okay, so same basis lang titingnan natin. Division, ano po? Like signs, positive, positive or negative, negative will give us the quotient positive. Kapag naman unlike signs, when one is positive and the other one is negative, the quotient is negative. Okay, let's start with the first example. Negative 12 divided by negative 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And of course, like sign sila, parehas negative, so positive 4 ang sagot. Next, negative 8 divided by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So unlike signs will give us negative quotient, which is negative 2. Okay, next, 9 divided by 9 is of course 1. Ano? So positive 1 na lang siya kasi parehong positive yung numbers or integers. Next, negative 2 divided by negative 1. So 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. 1 is negative and the other one is negative pa rin. So para silang negative. Like signs will give us positive quotient. Next, negative 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. 1 is negative and the other one is positive. Unlike signs will give us negative quotient. So ang answer, negative 5. Next, negative 8 divided by negative 4. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Like signs, pareha silang negative, will give us the positive 2 as a quotient. Next, 9 divided by negative 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Positive, and the other one is negative, so unlike signs will give us negative quotient. So the answer is negative 3. Next, negative 6 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Okay, unlike signs, one is negative and the other one is positive, will give us negative quotient. Okay, next, negative 4 divided by negative 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, like signs, para silang negative, so the answer is positive. Okay, next, the last example. 5 divided by negative 5. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Okay, 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So unlike sign sila. Now, kapag unlike sign, our quotient will be negative. Okay, so that is our example for, those are our examples for division. Ano po, so to sum it up, ano po, in multiplying and dividing integers, always remember this basis. Ano po, lagi na lang ninyong tandaan, kapag like signs, ang pinagmumultiply ninyo or dinidivide man, the answer will be always positive. Positive times positive, negative times negative, positive divided by positive, and negative divided by positive. The answer will always be positive. Now, kapag unlike sign, when one is positive and the other one is negative, and or vice versa, pag tayo nagmumultiply or nagdi-divide ng unlike signs, the answer will be negative. Okay, so I hope you understand our lesson for this day. Thanks for watching, everyone.